In today's video, I'll show you how to create and manage a Jira filter in just a few minutes. Filters are a powerful way to cut through the clutter and focus only on the issues that matter most to you. Start by heading to your Jira dashboard, click on Filters, and then select View All Filters to see what's already available. To create your own, click Create Filter and choose the criteria you want, such as issue type like bugs, stories, or tasks, status like to do, in progress or done progress, or done, and assignee, which you can set to current user to view your own work. Once you've set your preferences, click Save Filter, give it a clear name, and it'll be ready to use anytime without repeating the setup. These custom filters help you stay organized, prioritize efficiently, and manage projects with ease. And that's it. You've just mastered filters in Jira. In today's video,